Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I'll be showing you how to make this quick and easy bell peppers pasta recipe. But before we go on, if you're new here or haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also if you like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So here I've placed all the ingredients we'll be using to make today's recipe. First, I have a packet of spaghetti. I'll be using about half of it. Then I have some sliced green and red bell peppers. I also have some vegetable oil. I'll also be using some chopped onions, some tomato paste. I'll be using about a tablespoon of that. And for my spices, I'll be using half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic pepper seasoning, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of dried cilantro leaves, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and lastly I'll be using some salt. Now into a pot I'll be adding some water and then some salt and some vegetable oil. Then once my water is hot enough, I'll be adding my spaghetti. I'm going to allow this cook. Make sure to cook your spaghetti according to package instructions. I like to add some oil because it helps prevent it from sticking together after cooking. Now that my spaghetti is almost cooked, I'm going to be reserving some water for later. At this point, my spaghetti is ready and is perfectly cooked. I'm going to take it out of the heat and then drain the excess water, and then we'll go into the next part of our recipe. Into my pan, I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil, and next I'll be adding some chopped onions. I'm going to stir and let this fry for about a minute. Now at this point, my onions have been frying for about a minute. The next thing I'll be adding is about a tablespoon of tomato paste. I'll fry this while stirring constantly for about a minute, and doing this will help intensify the flavor and aroma of any food you're cooking. After about 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding my bell peppers, and then I'm just going to continue stirring. While stirring, you'll notice the tomato paste we added earlier has changed from a bright red to a deeper red, and that's exactly what we're looking for. I'm just going to keep frying this for about 2 minutes, and after that it will be time to add our spices. I'm going to start by adding half a teaspoon of garlic pepper seasoning, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm just going to stir to combine all the flavors while my tomato paste continues caramelizing. Once everything is perfectly combined, next I'm going to be adding my already cooked spaghetti into this flavorful sauce. Then I'm just going to stir to combine and just let the spaghetti take in all the beautiful flavors. So if you're still watching, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Now once everything is nicely combined, I'm going to be adding the water we reserved earlier and a teaspoon of some dried cilantro leaves, and then I'm just going to stir gently to combine. You want to thoroughly combine everything and let it cook for about a minute or so, and after that your spaghetti is ready to be served. So you will agree with me that this recipe is so easy to make and it tastes so good. So if you're someone that likes pasta or loves eating pasta, you will definitely need to try out this recipe, and I'm sure you're going to love it. This is a recipe you can put together so quickly, and lunch or dinner will be ready in minutes. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you do try out this recipe, please let me know how yours turned out in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.